Imagine a calm day where the students of Greater Latrobe can peacefully study or worry about swine flu, when suddenly the day is thrown into chaos by
the fire alarm.
The faculty and student body are cursed with the constant ringing of
the fire alarm.
And so it was passed that all fire alarms be destroyed and have the band players play their wonderful music instead when the situation calls for it. However, the students and faculty are reminded to handle the situation maturely.
What's up, buddy? Man, how about that cover class?
I don't take chem anymore.
Lucky.
So, in the First World War, there was a very Archduke Franz Ferdinand comes into the oh my God! Everyone stay calm. I've been through this before. Escape out the only hatch we have. I'll lead the way.
With the original fire alarms gone, we will no longer be bothered by any obnoxious noise. Uh-oh, fire. I gotta hurry this thing up. Okay, remember, when you catch on fire, you gotta stop, drop, and roll. Reporting for WCAT-TV. This has been Andy Bryant.